Welcome back to my channel. This is Joy from Manifest Designs. Today I'm going to be showing you on how to make this very kind of hair bonnet without elastic. As you can see, it's elastic free, very easy to make without sewing machine as well. If you like, you can tie it with your hair wrap. This is quite shorter than the first one I made. You can use two different fabrics to make it. It looks very beautiful together, and you'll actually like it the way it goes. You see? Just put it here. You can tie it this way, or any way you want, or this way as well. Yeah, so this is what we'll be doing in this tutorial. Let's get back to DIY. Okay guys, this is an illustration how you can cut your cycle. The rectangle measures 11 inches by 22 inches. It's a fat quarter fabric. So all you need to do is just to fold it the way I folded it over there, and then you target the point. So I will be going by 9 inches. So all I did was to place my measuring tape and then marking 9 inches all the way around. Just like that, you mark it. If you want it 11 inches, you go by what you want. If you want it by 12, 13, I think the maximum is 14 inches. If you want it to the bonnet to look so big. So all I did is to join the line. So I'll be cutting out the excess, and then here comes your circle. But I will not be using this fabric. I'm just using this to show you guys on how you can cut your circle, because in my first video I used 9.5 inches and it came out looking oblong. But if you are using a fat quarter fabric, 9 inches is very perfect for your circle. So this is my two fabrics I'll be using. I've already cut out the circles, as you can see. Okay, this is wrong side facing together. Very important that you face them together, the wrong side. So in other words, the right side is the one facing up. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is to go by a normal stitch. This is what I'll be doing, in and out, all the way around, in and out. So this is the finished way of these normal stitches. And I have when you do that, you need to leave a little thread from where you started so that you can use it to tie a knot. I hope you understand what I mean. But yeah, when looking at the video, you really understand what I mean. So you need to leave an extra thread to tie a knot at the end. So this is it, guys. This is it. So yeah, and you really need to know your head circumference in order to get an accurate measurement of your bonnet. So mine is 23 inches. So to get the half measurement of 23, I just folded the measuring tape like so, and then placed it to know if it is perfect for my head. So the half measurement is what you use to know if it is perfect for your hair. If you feel that it's too big, you can reduce it. If it's too small, you can add it depending on what you have as your measurement. So this is it. You can always adjust as the case may be. You can always adjust as the case may be, guys. So okay, 11.5 as came up as mine. So since I'm sure of the measurement, I'm free to tie the knot. So this is what you'll be doing, tying a knot in order to keep it secured so that it doesn't lose from the actual measurements. Cut out your excess. Yes, and then you try to like make them go even, to make them go round, you know. Okay, so this is going to be my band. I'll be using the same fabric. If you like, you can use a different fabric. Yes, and the measurement is what you're seeing right now. Okay, so what I'll be doing is sewing them in place. Okay, this is it. Okay, look at it now. With the way it is, and I'm doing right away is fold it into two like so, and then this very band will be going right on the head bonnet. So at this point, all you need to do is to focus on what I'm doing. Really watching helps a lot, you know, than talking. So this is how you'll be placing it right side together first, like so. It's necessary that you pin in place in order for your work to come out pretty, you know. I'm done pinning it in place, as you can see. So watch what I'll be doing next. What I'll be doing next is to first of all sew it in place using my way of sewing, hand stitching. So this looks done already, as you can see. Then cut out the excess like so. Okay, so here comes the next step. You're going to fold it like this. Fold first, just one folding, and then you make sure that you line it with your seam and pin in place. This is what I'll be doing all around the bonnet. Keep watching. Please don't mind the background noise. I don't know why those dogs are just barking and disturbing my ears. Always use pin to put them in place, like I said earlier. Okay, here it is. This is the way it looks after all. So in this case, just watch closely on how I'll be making the stitches. I would I call it tacking? I will just tack them out like so. Just little tacking like so, so that it looks neat. This is what I'll be doing all the way around. Okay, you can use a single thread or double thread if you like. The choice is yours to make the tacking. This is it. Yes, it really came out pretty and I like the result. Really comfortable to wear, you know. I so much like it. I always wear it around while going out. I can use my can tie it in a stylish way, you know. So this is my head wrap. This is really short in size. I will be dropping the measurement. It's shorter than the first one I did, and yeah, all you need to do is face the fabric right side like so, and then cut out with your pattern, and then leave a space to like turn the right side out like so. It has been turned out already, and I'll be using finishing it up with my hidden stitch. So this is how it looks on my head. This is beautiful, as you can see. I'm loving that, you know. So yeah, if you have watched up to this extent, I want to thank you for watching. I appreciate the love and support. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, show me some love, like, share, as the case may be. Yeah, and I went along to make I have a tutorial on how to make the hair bow. I just used it to like embellish this very head wrap, and it came out so unique and, you know, chic. So yeah, this is really nice together, as you can see. Yeah, this is what I did, and you can, if I don't want it this way, I can always remove the hairband to tie it towards my front side. So yeah, thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye.